Good morning, room 13 and 14. As you know, my name is Mr. Lobb. I'm here to talk to you about what our brain does during maths. Now, when I come across maths that I know how to do, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Didn't have to think about it, I knew it. Awesome. Well done, me. This here is what my brain looks like. Sorry, the writing's upside down. Now, see what happens next. 55 minus 17 equals something. Oh, easy. I know what I'll do. I'll grab the 50 and I'll take away 10 from the 50, which will equal 40. And then I'll grab the 5 and take the 7 away from the 5. If I've got 5 and I take 7 away, this is hard. I'm going to think of a new way of doing this. This problem was harder than I thought it was. The method that I usually use to solve these types of problems, it hasn't worked for some reason, and I've made a mistake. Luckily, when you make a mistake, something happens in here. So here's my brain, and when I make a mistake, I get frustrated, I struggle, I sometimes even get a bit angry. But then, something amazing happens. When I open up my brain again, after it's been struggling, look at what's happened. Because my brain has struggled, it's made a mistake, it's actually learnt. All these things here are called synapses, and they are things in your brain that start firing and going off when you make a mistake. Every time you make a mistake in maths, your brain connects these synapses up, and your brain grows bigger. Who would have thought? Mistakes actually make you smarter. But it's not enough to just make a mistake and then leave it there, because that hasn't helped you solve what you're trying to solve. So what you need to do after you make a mistake, you need to try a different way. 55 take away 17. Another way I could do it, I could go 55. I'm going to stick with the take away 10 because that's nice and simple. And that will take me to 45. So I've used 55, take away 10 of the 17. So now I've got to take away, I've got 7 more left. Oh, I know 45 minus 5 equals 40. And then I've got, so I've used 5, which means I've got 2 left to take away. So then 40 take away 2 will equal 38. There is my answer. That's the new method that I have used. And I learnt this new method because this one here didn't work. Now all I need to do is find out why this one didn't work this time. Because usually for me it does. I wonder if you know why it didn't work.